Oh my god, what is this? Again, again. Oh my god. Hello everyone. Recently I bought Poco M2 Pro for my sister and I noticed that there is a charging issue. The charger is continuously connecting and disconnecting again. So initially I was so scared what to do because I got this at an amazing price 664 at 13749 and the price is so good after applying the credit card discount, so I was little bit disappointed after facing this issue, but I'm going to show this how to fix this issue. So I am requesting you to please return this item because you may face the same in future. For this is temporary and you may again face in the future, so to keep yourself secured, please return or replace the device. For me there is no replacement because they are saying some issue with the replacement, so I'm returning this and they are sending me refund of the original payment, that is 13749. So I was a little bit disappointed, so whatever, the Poco X3 has been launched, so I'll just spend 3000 more rupees for that. Here is what you can do: turn off the mobile data and try charging again, or switch off the mobile and charge your device, and next is hard reset the device simply. I just turned off the mobile data and let us check how it works. You can check it here. I have connected the charger again and I'm going to wait here for 1 minute so that you can judge yourself whether it is working or not. Just yesterday I was so shocked to see this and I came up with this solution. So if possible please replace your device if you get it at an amazing price, or else you can just get your money back. Keep yourself secure so that you may not face this again in the future. That is my suggestion. Replacement is my suggestion. Earlier I have also faced this same issue with the Redmi Note 8 Pro and I have returned and got my refund back to my account. So Redmi Note 8 Pro has also got the same issue earlier which I bought, and I also returned that again to the shop.